Hello everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video I am talking about NVDA stock. In this video we talk about stock pros and cons and technical analysis and latest news about it. The stock is trading at 421.03 US dollar with 1.05% positive in a day. We can easily see stock was volatile for a day. The volume of stock was recently all-time high, so the fundamental stock is much pretty better than other penny stock. Before buying and selling the stock, please consult the financial advisor. Today's video is done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and like the video and also comment all related queries.